As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across your weary kingdom, the time has come to embark on a nightly ritual that promises to rejuvenate and restore. It's time for a magical ritual, a moment of self-care that transforms your evening into a serene escape. Begin by cleansing and purifying your skin, washing away the day's toils and troubles. This is your time to unwind and prepare for a night of blissful rest. This is the tale of the double cleanse, a two-step process that will leave your skin feeling refreshed and radiant. First, use an oil-based cleanser to remove makeup and impurities. Follow with a water-based cleanser to deeply cleanse your pores. It's a journey into the heart of skincare, where gentle touch and potent potions work in harmony to reveal your natural beauty. Apply your favorite serums and moisturizers, massaging them into your skin with care. So light a candle, draw a warm bath, and let the enchantment begin. Allow the soothing scents and warm water to envelop you, creating a sanctuary of calm and relaxation. This is your nightly fairy tale, where every step brings you closer to a peaceful slumber and radiant skin. Our first step is a luxurious oil-based cleanser, a true indulgence for your skin. Think of it as a gentle handmaiden, delicately lifting away makeup, SPF, and grime accumulated throughout the day. This process not only cleanses, but also provides a moment of relaxation, transforming your routine into a spa-like experience. These impurities, much like a dragon's hoard, cling stubbornly to the skin's surface. They can cause breakouts and dullness if not properly removed. Warm a small amount of oil cleanser between your palms and massage it onto dry skin. The warmth helps to activate the oils, making them more effective at breaking down impurities. The oil works its magic, dissolving even the most stubborn waterproof mascara without stripping your skin of its natural oils. This ensures your skin remains hydrated and balanced. It's a crucial first step in our double cleansing ritual. By starting with an oil-based cleanser, you prepare your skin for deeper cleansing and better absorption of subsequent skincare products. This sets the stage for a radiant, healthy complexion. Next, we summon the purifying power of water with a water-based cleanser, a true elixir for the skin. This potion, often in the form of a gel or cream, gently washes away any remaining residue and impurities. It dives deep into the pores, ensuring every trace of the day is gone, leaving your skin refreshed. Massage the cleanser onto dampened skin, working it into a delicate lather that feels luxurious. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water, feeling the day's stress melt away with each refreshing splash. Your skin, now cleansed and balanced, is ready for the final magical touch of your routine. With your canvas prepped, it's time to nourish and protect. Begin by ensuring your skin is clean and free of impurities. This sets the stage for the magic to come. Apply a serum, a concentrated elixir tailored to your skin's specific needs. Serums are packed with active ingredients that penetrate deeply, addressing concerns like hydration, brightening, or anti-aging. Follow with a moisturizer, locking in hydration and creating a protective barrier against the night's cool air. This step ensures that your skin remains supple and nourished throughout the night. As you drift off to sleep, envision these potions working their magic, plumping, soothing, and restoring your skin to its former glory. Your skin regenerates most effectively at night, making this routine essential. The double cleanse is more than just a routine. It's a ritual of self-care, a nightly fairy tale that leaves you feeling refreshed and radiant each morning. Embrace this time for yourself and let the stress of the day melt away.